Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 5-liter V8 engine. Gives you awesome power. We do get the XTR Package and the trailer tow package. Some nice chrome accents with a tow hitch receiver, backup camera. We do get a Bedliner on this vehicle, so you're not scratching up your paint. You got hooks and tie downs, some nice looking rims, mud flaps on the rear and front. We got the super cab body style, so you get the one door and the wonky door. We do get gripped running boards, keyless entry keypad, trailer tow mirrors that are heated. You got the lights on the side as well. And moving to the front, we got a black hood deflector, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside of the vehicle, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, floor mats with your 6 additional seat right here, 12-volt cup holders, and 2 USBs. We do get a split-fold rear bench seat in the back as well. Some door space as well, powered windows, and we got more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, manual driver seat, manual passenger seat, spotlights, lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 124,034 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with volume, playback, play forward, mode, mute voice phone, cruise control, toggle-free screen, which you can go for display mode, trip and field, towing, off-road, and other settings. 6 additional seats right here with cup holders, phone slot, storage below, your 6 additional seat with the headrest, same cloth with storage below. We do get some storage here with some outlets just above it with a 12-volt USBs. We do get trailer brake, trailer backup assist, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive, climate controls with heated mirrors, 12-volt storage below and above with their lovely infotainment system, fully touchscreen with audio, navigation, your compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right in here. Settings such as phone, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, Ford Pass, Android Auto, and shifting to reverse. We do get that lovely backup camera, and your drive modes are just conveniently on the gear select. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE26197A, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.